Hello, Jason here, talking to you about Intarsia. Intarsia uses a whole bunch of different colored woods to achieve the different color schemes of the actual design that you're trying to do. And on this dragon, I have many different colors here that I've been able to collect over the years, and this was just the perfect piece for it. Now, sometimes you don't have the availability of all these different species of woods. Many reasons why, and I understand completely. One of the most diverse woods I've learned has is poplar. I've seen it in purple, I've seen it in green, white, black, brown. And for example, this is a white board here. I'm lucky to find a white one because I use white a lot. But if you flip the board over, there's weird different streak here on this one. Sometimes there's green, sometimes there's not. So flip the board over when you're looking through your woods. There's a different side to it. For instance, this has a nice dark grain here with a whitish on the side. This is a black limba. But on the other side, it's a really light kind of wood, almost like a white limba. So always flip your boards over. It's always going to look different.